What's going on, YouTube? This is Way with the Playbook. I hope everybody's having a great day, whatever day it is when y'all see this video. But I just want to, okay, we're not looking at this trade right here. You know, this was a beautiful trade, but we're looking at this one. We're looking at this one right here. And y'all read the title correctly. How I caught over 47,000 pips. Me in the signal room, the free signal room. How me in the free signal room caught 47,000 pips trading NAS100 last Friday. Well, at the time I'm recording this video, it was last Friday. So this is on the daily time frame. So as you can see, we literally rolled this entire daily candlestick down. And that's how we caught 47,000 pips, because we went with the ultimate motion of price for the day. And this is what I teach my students all the time. I teach them how to first mark off these zones, and then also how to determine which direction price is most likely going to go for the whole day, because this is day trading. We're holding the trade for the whole day. So from London session 2 to before market close is when this whole motion happened and ended. So now let's go to a smaller time frame so I can break this down a little bit, okay? But first, before we go to a smaller time frame, let's look at what we got here. We're obviously in a downtrend, okay? So we've been in a downtrend for literally weeks. You know, it's summertime, a lot of stuff going on around the world, blah, blah, blah. You know, so they're making everything go down. And things are going down naturally too, I guess. So anyways, you can see we've been in a downtrend, literally. But you also see, even on the daily time frame, how price is reacting to my zone markups. But it's just going to get crazier when I go to a smaller time frame. But since we're in the overall lower time frame, and also based off simple price action, support resistance levels, clearly, you can clearly see that right here from this line right here. I'll turn this line yellow just for the video, so you know what I'm talking about. This line right here, you can clearly see as we zoom out, this has been a support resistance level. Support resistance, key support resistance level. And you can see that coming into play right here. This broke under, this is the higher low. You can see all the green candles. As soon as it hit that, it bounced in the zone for a little bit and then broke down to make the lower low. So when market opens back up, we'll see price break this zone. But as of now, we rode this entire wave down. So now let's change this back to my color. Bam. And now we're gonna get rid of this right here. Bam. And now we're gonna go to a smaller time frame. I'm about to break it down for y'all, okay? All right, so, you know, once I identify the trend we're in, the next thing I do is, you know, go to the smaller time frame to see how price is reacting to my zones. And as you can see right here, price has broken under this zone, and then it's been bouncing on some traffic. This is what I call traffic in smaller zones on other time frames. So as you can see here, that was the trade I was showing you earlier. How I broke not one but two zones. That's a lot of pips too. That was a 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 risk to reward. That was like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. But anyways, so I saw it broke underneath this zone, and then it was also playing around with this price level right here. There's two things price was most likely going to do in this situation. Especially since it was London session, it's either one, going to retest the resistance zone and then drop, or two, drop. And so I didn't want to miss that. So I just simply put that into account when I calculated my entry. I just simply put that into account. And I'm gonna put on the side right here my signal when I called it down, the free signal room and all that. So I saw price was right here playing around. So I entered. My stop loss was above the zone and above as the level of traffic, the nearest level of traffic above the zone, which was right here. Now I know a lot of people would put their stop loss right here, but one, I'm confident in my zone markups, and two, like I said, I don't need to put it that high, because it really goes that high, you just gotta let it go. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta let it go, look for a better entry later. But if it breaks here, I'm most likely wrong, and I need to wait for a better entry, or, you know, look for another chart, look at another chart. So That's literally how this trade went down. It was that simple. I don't want to say simple, but once you get the strategy down, it becomes simple. But let's just play the bar replay and see how it went down. And like I said, I'm gonna post the signal, I'm gonna post the pictures of me actually entering the trade, and it literally dropped just like that. Obviously not this quick because this is the 15-minute time frame. So let's go to a smaller time. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and you get a better idea how long the trade actually took. It literally took the whole day, but it literally took 4, 8, 12, 16, literally the whole day to make that move. But as you can see, red candle after red candle after red candle. It went our way the entire time. There was really no drawdowns, except in the beginning when, you know, price was bouncing. As soon as it broke and dropped, it dropped. Now I want to just show y'all, just on the hour time frame. I'm gonna just zoom out. I just want to show y'all how price just reacts to my zones. And keep in mind, this is NAS100, so literally every dollar, except on funded accounts, every dollar on regular accounts is 100 pips. So just imagine this move right here was 47,000 pips. This move was similar to that. Just imagine how many times you can just catch thousands, literally tens of thousands of pips on NAS, US30, SPX, gold. And just look how price just literally bounces around, like, in these zones. It's just crazy. And this literally works on everything. It works on crypto, it works on stocks, it works on currency pairs. I just want to show y'all like how price just reacts to these zones. It's just crazy. I teach my students how to mark up the zones, how to identify the zones with the time frames, and how to, you know, jump on trades and just make simple, high probability money and just catch pips, thousands of pips. Like, just look at this. This was an actual play I called in the seminar room in the past before too, but just look how price is just bouncing and dancing. Oh, there it goes. It crashed on me. But just look how price is just bouncing and dancing. It literally works on everything. So y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any suggestions for future videos, any questions. Make sure to tap in the free signal, or links will be in the description. Check my previous video too. If you're interested in how I trade, I suggest watching how I break down supply and demand. If you're interested in knowing how I trade, I highly recommend watching my supply and demand video. I break it down in less than 10 minutes. But yeah, man, we out.